Along with connecting our databases through the ODBC driver of Windows, it is very common for us to interface with our other programs. Our vendors that produce our industry-specific solutions very commonly will include a download to QuickBooks. These interfaces are becoming more and more common. They work really well. I'd like you to be aware that before you use an interface, you must authorize that program to download into QuickBooks. Now, this is even true of items that come directly from QuickBooks. The only difference is QuickBooks will make the connection for you. Let's go to our Edit menu and down to Preferences. I'd like you to be aware of the preference called Integrated Applications and Service Connections. Now, QuickBooks will work with service connections automatically. I'd like you to be aware of its presence in case something goes wrong. First, you'll notice that you'll always get the option of saving a file when you download, and it's not going to close after the web connection is done. Of course, you can change those. When we go to Company Preferences, you'll notice that it will allow me to automatically connect without asking for a password, but I can turn that off. Now, this is the automated process by QuickBooks. Let's go up to Integrated Applications. This now is any third-party solution. You'll notice when I set up the ODBC, it actually loaded itself right here. And you'll notice that the Financial Statement Designer is actually a third-party program. When you use a third-party program and you're going to put the connection together, this screen with the certificate will pop up automatically. You will be asked if it is okay to accept the certificate. You'll notice afterwards you can change to notify the user or not to allow any applications to access this file. If you have some QuickBooks files that do interface and some that do not, do make it a point to check this for all of the companies that should not receive data. This will stop any accidental downloads. Under My Preferences, you'll notice that there is nothing you can do. All the preferences for integration must be exactly the same throughout every machine within your office. More times than not, the procedures for integrating these applications are going to be automatic. However, things do go a little wrong, so know the screen exists. You can also go into the properties and view how they've been set up after the fact. You'll notice that there is an area for Social Security numbers. Please take great care with that. Do remember we have a responsibility of protecting this outside data.